Hey everybody, this is Off-Road 801. We got some bad weather rolling in. It's a little bit cold, pretty windy, and it might rain. So if you enjoy cool back roads and amazing sights to go see, hit that subscribe button right down over there. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and here we go. Well, we found a little OHV area right next to Factory Butte. Looks like a fun place to come out and ride. Well, let's keep going, see what else we can find. This is a pretty cool camp spot. I wouldn't recommend coming here when it's going to be windy, but you got a nice view of the Factory Butte. Some boulders, nice fire ring over there. Just it's solid rock right here, or sand, so it might be a little hard pitching a tent, FYI. But yeah, that spot right there would be a perfect spot for a trailer, other than it didn't have any cell phone service. My GPS in the Jeep says this is Coal Mine Road. I just wanted to show you the layer of coal that's in this rock right here. That whole black layer is all coal. Lots of boulders fell off that cliff. Wow, check out this valley. Well, it started raining, and I don't know if I want to go down in Muddy Creek while it's raining. So I'm gonna sit here, hang out for a minute, enjoy the view, and see what the weather does. Okay, well, I'm gonna go on the top of this hill, see if I get any service, see what the weather's doing. Huge coal vein. We're back. Next day, better weather. Let's go see where this road goes. Just the colors here are just intense. The sceneries here are just unreal. The landscape never quits changing. Well, that was an unexpected water crossing. I know where this road goes. We're trying to make it to Goblin Valley. We're gonna go check it out. Yeah, I'm pretty glad I didn't try this road in the rain yesterday. I probably would have got stuck. This crazy old building. Probably somebody's house at one time. Yep. Cool old building. Somebody's old farmhouse, ranch house. Sorry, it's a little windy. Check out the veins on this rock. Look at that rock. Brains. Well, this road's been pretty fun so far. You ought to come check it out. We made it to Goblin Valley. didn't quite make it. Yeah, all these boulders look like they're about ready to fall. Well, we made it to Goblin State Park. It is a state park, so it does cost you money. It was 20 bucks a vehicle. A little expensive, but it's worth the price. This place is pretty amazing. Toadstools, hoodoos. It's just crazy. So if you haven't been here, you need to. They say it's one of the most underrated state parks in the nation. It's way cool. Could do some hiking, but definitely worth seeing.
Hi. We're clear up here.
This is a crazy area. These rock formations are really different. It's like a mud flow with boulders sitting on top of it. This is all that's holding these boulders together. Some like sandstone mud.
Yeah, literally just no wonder.
As soon as it gets wet, you get mud waterfalls.
Yep.
That rock don't have much longer. Oh man, this rock is so comfortable. Well, you could definitely spend all day hiking around here. Lots of little canyons to explore.
I don't even know if it'll show up.
Not much left holding this boulder up. And it's huge. If it fell on you, you'd die. Oh no, I'm lost. I'm lost in Super Mario World. Holy cow, look at that boulder. Yeah, one big rainstorm and all these boulders could fall down. So get out here. This is an awesome cloud day. I will definitely take a time lapse so you can see it. We had an amazing time. The Factory Butte Rd to the Wild Horse Mesa Road over to Goblin Valley. That was awesome. Been a while since I've been on a nice road like that. Goblin State Park is pretty awesome itself. There's way more to see here than I showed you. Factory Butte Rd and Goblin Valley State Park are all right by the town of Hanksville. Cool little town. Lots of sights to see around it. There's tons of free camping at Goblin Valley to the west and to the north. There's also some paid campgrounds to the north. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.